If you're a copywriter or marketer, you've probably been frustrated at some point trying to decide how little or how much copy you should write. Too little and conversions are probably going to nosedive, but too much and you might just bore people. That's why in today's video, I'll be teaching you a quick trick to know if you should be writing short copy, long copy, and the best ways to approach both. Now, as a rule of thumb, the cheaper the product, the less copy you need to write. This is because a consumer is going to put less thought, energy, and research into buying a cheap product. The risk of making, let's say, a $20 purchase isn't all that bad. If they did lose the $20 or they had to wait a few days for a refund, it's not a massive amount of money that would put a dent in their bank. They're not going to need to put as much research into the product, and they're not going to be as emotionally invested. But if you take something like a $2,000 product, that's a whole different thing. They're going to do a lot of research. They're going to read reviews, testimonials, case studies. They're going to want a lot of copy and information on the sales page. They might be contacting you, emailing your support. They're going to want to know that if they spend that kind of money, it's well worth their time and energy. They're also going to have way different objections. Someone that's going to object to a $20 product isn't going to be anywhere nearly as intense as a $2,000 product or something that's a few $100s. They're going to want to know everything about refund policies, warranties, the quality, how they're going to get it, the shipping time, every little detail. For example, here's a Minimalist wallet sold on Amazon. It's $20 and the copy is very simple. You can see that there's 4 bullet points. It goes over the features, the benefits, and everything you need to know about this simple product. It's relatively straightforward. It holds cash, cards, and it isn't bulky. It's made of carbon fiber. There really isn't much to actually know about it as it speaks for itself. So naturally, there doesn't have to be as much copy because it's a cheaper, simple product. You can also see that they have thousands of reviews and they clearly do really well. So this kind of form of copywriting, this approach of writing short copy for a smaller item works really, really well here. Now on the flip side, here's a personal example. This is a sales page for one of the online courses I sell called Wise Copy, where I teach people how to build profitable online writing businesses. Now, naturally, because of the $500 price tag, people want to know a lot more about the course, when they're getting it, how they're getting it, what's included, all those little details. And that's why at the top of the sales page, I actually have a short VSL that goes into the features, the benefits, the pricing, how I give free mentorship, the unique value proposition, and just gives them a high-level overview of what they're getting. But if we scroll throughout the page, you can see that it's very, very long. It's thousands of words, and I break down everything from the consumer's pain points to the exact features and benefits you're getting, the modules, the offer, the refund policy, about myself. I cover every little detail because I know that someone that's buying something like that naturally wants to know a lot about it. They're gonna have tons of questions and objections. So it's really good to have some kind of buyer persona mapped out, or just use your intuition and your empathy to think about what the customer would want to know and then include information about that. But once again, keep the rule of thumb in mind that the cheaper the product, the less copy you probably need, and the more expensive it is, you're going to have more information on there. If you use this rule next time you write copy, I guarantee you're going to have a lot less headaches. It's honestly a big time saver, and it's just amazing to improve your workflow. Now, if you did want to learn more about copywriting or you need a copywriter for hire, you can go click the links in the description. Thank you so much for watching once again. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you soon in the next video.